Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and today we're going to prepare a quick and easy cheesecake without an oven. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que les estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. To prepare this delicious pie, we need a mold that is already prepared with cookies, and you can get it in any supermarket. A package of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, a cup of whipped cream, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and slice of strawberries to decor the pie. To prepare it is very easy. We add the cream cheese. Now we are going to add the half cup of sugar. We add a cup of whipped cream. And we're going to add the touch that is the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now what we're going to do is mix all the ingredients. Our mix for the cheesecake is ready. Now what we're going to do is put it in our cookie mold. We are pouring the mixture. We shape it. Here we have already our pie to place in the fridge until it is firm. We are going to leave it for a couple of hours in the fridge until it is firm. Our cheesecake is ready and now we're going to decor it with strawberries. We are still here decorating with strawberry. Look how beautiful it is! Remember that this is a cold dessert that you always have to keep in the fridge until serving time. And here is our cheesecake, easy to do. This cheesecake is good for a special occasion. Remember, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and activate the bell. See you in the next video.